Hey, well, hello everyone. I'm Jess from Alaska. Windows switch Bezel update number 3. So, as mentioned before, I'm ready. The parts are for sale. You will find the links in the description, along with my email address, lbmcdodge@gmail.com. So you can message me if you're having any issues with anything going forward, whether it be the order, ordering the parts, something with the parts you don't like, or whatever. I do want y'all to be happy with what I've done, so please let me know if you're having any issues whatsoever. So let's roll some pictures here. So as you can see, as we go through, I've got two colors, black and gray. I did mention in the previous video that I had some defect parts that I'd be selling $4 or $5 less than the regular production parts. I have a very limited number of those, so once they're gone, they're gone. First come, first serve. If you happen to order a defect part and I'm out of inventory, I will message you and let you know, refund your money, and you'll have to use one of the links to buy a full production part. And I will pull down the links for those defect parts as I run out of inventory. I don't expect them to return because honestly, I've gotten a lot better at producing these parts, and I haven't run into any new defects as I've been making them since then. Defected parts, some of the issues you'll see with them. There's nothing that's going to stop the part from mounting into your door panel or functioning as incorrectly. It will take your window switch and snap into place as designed, as it should. The differences on these will be that there are air bubbles in the top surface, which are easily identifiable by the discoloration, or there'll be dots where it's discolored from the part itself. The color, compared to the factory, it was either too light, too dark, or maybe I had some streaking in the part itself and the coloring. The only other issue I think you may see would be the window switch icon. As you know, I was using my laser to burn these in. I had it dialed in, it was doing perfect, and then along the way, as I started doing it, for some reason, the gray parts quit wanting to burn in correctly. I had to do some stuff to correct it, and I had to turn the speed way down for it to burn in properly. And then with the black, I had to turn around and speed it way up to keep it from some overburn in there. So I've kind of got that dialed in, but you may find some that don't have that great of an icon. So there might be a defect part that's got a perfect icon on it, whereas one of the production parts has an icon that doesn't look all that great or snazzy. So if you happen to order for a production part and you're not happy with the icon, send it back to me. When I get it back, I'll replace it for free. I want you all to be happy on what you get. So anyway, the other thing I wanted to go into real quick was colors. So if you are wanting a special color, something different, tan, clear, green, red, blue, whatever, I can make anything, or make these in any color you want. If you are interested in that, email me. We'll work out the details to have you send me the part that you want to match, so that way I have something on hand that I can color match to get it as close as humanly possible. And then once it's done, I'll send you a link to purchase one of that color, and I will send you your new parts and your old part back. As far as the website, I am using Stripe as the platform for the links and ordering. This is the first time using Stripe for myself, so I'm not sure if there'll be any problems. I'll run into any problems, but if you encounter any issues, please email me and let me know. So that's about it for this video. I will have another one out here before too long, just to talk about some additional projects I got going on and keep you updated on the truck as I go. Now, I am going to be gone 4 out of the next 5 weeks due to work. So if I start to run low on inventory and there's going to be a delay in shipping to you, I will keep you updated and notify you. But other than that, there shouldn't be an issue. The 1 week that I will be back from work, I will be producing more parts every day to make sure the inventory stays stocked up. But again, it's going to depend on volume. I don't know how many orders I may get. I know a lot of you have messaged and inquired and want to buy them, but I don't know how many beyond that I may get. So anyway, I think that's about it. Thanks for your time. You all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.